In this video, I will show you how to change Spotify username. Firstly, what you need to do to take off on that selection, you need to get up from that settings bar on your right upper side, and simply you need to scroll down and take a look on that main point for this site, which is right down. And as you can see here, it is that support. Go click on that support site and it will take you to that website on your browser, in which here on the search box you're gonna type username. Go for username and go for username and display name. Just tap on that selection site, and here guys it has a description which is related in what you need to do to take up and change your display name or change your username. But also it says that your username is designed to identity you on Spotify, so you can't change it. Here guys, I'm mentioning again this word which is so important. You can't change it. This is so important to know, because you can simply change the display name but not also the username.